Hi, in this lecture, we are going to learn multiplication of two matrices. Earlier, we had seen that if you multiply a number with a matrix, all the elements of the matrix will get multiplied by that number. Here, what we will be doing, we will be multiplying two matrices, means multiplication of one matrix by another matrix. Okay, first of all, we need to check the order of these two matrices. Okay, this is very important because you cannot multiply every matrices, right? So what will happen, see, suppose there is a matrix A whose order is m by n and a matrix B whose order is p by q. Now you can multiply these two matrices only if the columns of first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. Okay, so if and only if n is equal to p, you can do this multiplication, otherwise you cannot do it, right? So we can do the multiplication of two matrices only when the columns of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second matrix. Okay, so suppose this 2 gives me another matrix C, right? So what is the order of that matrix? That matrix order will be m by q. Okay, right? So we got another matrix whose order will be different from A and B both, which is m by q. It can be same also. Suppose A is 3 by 3, B is also 3 by 3, then we will get C as 3 by 3, right? Same. So not necessarily same, but you will get the order as m by q if n is equal to p is there, and if n is equal to p, then only we can multiply the two matrices. Okay, now let us find out what is the way of doing this multiplication. I have taken two matrices A and B, both are 2 by 2. I am taking very simple matrices. You can apply the same method with any other matrix. Okay, I'll show you some other examples also. Let us see first, let us understand how the matrix multiplication happens. Okay, what we are doing here, we will be multiplying the first row, that is R1, okay, to the first column of the second matrix. First row of the first matrix to second row of, sorry, first column of the second matrix. How? Let us see. Okay, we will be doing 1 multiply by 2 corresponding elements. This 1 multiplied by 2. Okay, and then we will add this 2 multiplied by 4. So how we are doing it? We are doing it like this way, this and this. 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 4, right? This will be my first term, right? So if you multiply one row and one column, you get one term, right? Then for the second term, we have again row 1 and second column. So we will do the same thing with 1 multiply by 3, 1 multiply by 3, and then plus, always plus, 2 multiply by 5, right? First row, first column will give me the first row, first column element. First row, second column will give me first row, second column element, right? Now we have second rows also. Second row, first column will give me second row, first column element. So same way, 3 multiply by 2 plus 4 multiply by 4, right? 3 multiply by 3 plus 4 multiply by 5. Okay, making it a matrix now. 2 plus 8, 10, 6, 16, 22, 3, 10, 13, 9, 20. So this is my multiplication matrix. Okay, so what we have done, we have multiplied rows of first matrix to the columns of second matrix. Okay, rows of first matrix to the column of second matrix, and for that you need to have the columns of first matrix should be equal to rows of second matrix. Columns of first matrix should be equal to rows of second matrix. So in this way we can do multiplication. Okay, let us take another example where 2 by 2 is not there. Let us take, suppose, what will happen. Let's take something different. Suppose A is my 3, 4, 5, a row matrix. Okay, so basically the order is what? Order is 1 by 3. So another matrix must be of rows 3. So let us say 2, 4, 1, 5, 3, 2. Okay, so I have taken these two matrices, right? What is the order of this? 3 by 2. Okay, here the column and rows both are equal. We can do the multiplication. Now let us see what will happen, right? So we will do, there is only one row, so row in the column, right? So 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 1 plus 5 multiplied by 3. What we have done? 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 1 plus 5 multiplied by 3. Rows multiplied by column. Adding all the things, we will get first term. Row 1, column 1 will get first element, right? Then row 1, column 2, row 1, column 2. We will get 3 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied by 2. Got? Now we don't have any other rows, so we will stop it. Let us find the values. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 15, 25, 12, 32, 42. Okay, so we have got a matrix where there is only one row and two columns. Means the order is what? 1 by 2. Now check this. What is the number of rows here and number of columns here? You got 1 by 2, right? Just like here, m by q, you got 1 by 2. So this way you can do the multiplication. Okay, similar for any kind of matrix, but just you need to check whether the column of first matrix should be equal to the row of second matrix, and you can multiply it in same way. So if you have a 3 by 3 matrix, then you will get 3 by 3 matrix only, and calculation will be large, right?